I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one on the list.
I don't want nobody, not just anybody. Take them up to my party.
Okay.
I am cool, right?
Understand me now. Stupid ass.
Why are we still here, bro?
When everything goes wrong, you see some bad.
Who the fuck is this?
Oh, what the f? Tired of these fuckers. Niggas take rap, trash, garbage disposal. Guys need a proposal. Matter of fact, you need a rap proposal because you can't spit. Your bars ain't shit. Ain't no hoe. Daddy ain't raised no hoe. He raised a soldier. Yeah, my mama told ya. Granny can't
Put these niggas to sleep and histamine.
What book two? That's low. Whoa, no, that's Tariq. What you mean? I'm looking for Tommy. Yeah, Matter of fact, where's Mary J? Nah, fuck that. That's gay. Now I'm looking for the white friend. What's that nigga name? Bryson?
Oh.
Nah, his name was Braylon. Fuck that. The right man.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting a little hot. Nah,
AC on.
you're just a little drunk.
That nigga in the shop. I leave.
What? Wait.
I'm done.
Is he dumb?
Nigga, where your mom?
Cause the AC off.
Me, I got cold, I'm sorry.
What the hell wrong with you?
What? That you said. I know every time y'all see me with this hat and my hair out like this, I look like that little emo, wannabe emo, little weird kid in school.
With your heart on the line, I really fucked it up this time. Deny my dare. Deny.
But no, this ain't that. I need a perm, but I don't want to give myself one because I've been scratching my head. But I also need a shape up, so why not just wait till I can get both? So, anyways, I got my pictures, guys. I've been holding the two cameras that I dropped off. I've been holding on to these cameras for a really long time. Like, I just had them, forgot about them, all that. Sorry, y'all. I'm just trying to get right. Okay, let's see what's on these. Let's see what we got. I love getting disposable what is this? I love getting disposable cameras, y'all. I really do. Cause I like looking at pictures. Okay, this is trash because what is this? Oh, this is pictures for my birthday. It's gang plus niece, y'all. Hold on. Oh, that's all wrong. Wait, is it clear? Gang plus niece. Oh, I look real rough in this picture. I don't even like this picture. I will say I might trash this picture, but I ain't trashing it. It's me and my man. Me and my man. My man. This is so cute, guys. I just love having pictures to look at. Who messed this picture up? This picture is black with one face right here. That means whoever took this covered up the lens. I'm not gonna say I hated this outfit, but I did hate the way my body looked in it. So I never posted these pictures. But this actual picture doesn't look bad. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Go clear, go clear, go clear. Go clear. Is it clear, y'all? Is it clear? Man, whatever. It ain't going clear, but I forgot all about these. This is so cute. One day, me and Babe went hiking. Well, we didn't go hiking, but we went to the Sweetwater Creek. This is so cute. And this is so cute. It's cute. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to show these to my kids. This is a really cute picture of my man. Ooh.
Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride like die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
Right outside.